Today, we will begin our study of the geography of ancient Rome. But first, let's look at a map of Italy. You notice that Rome is on the western coast of Italy. You will see at the top the Alps, which are very high mountains, the Po River. Down the center of Italy, you will have the Apennines. You will have two large islands, one directly to the west, Sardinia, and to the west, Sicily, and further south, you will find Malta. To the east, you'll find the Adriatic Sea, south, Mediterranean Sea, and the Tyrrhenian Sea. So, before we begin our lesson and taking our notes, the first thing we want to do is get a sheet of paper and fold it. We will put our title at the top, and you will notice it's located in red. On my notes, you do not have to color code it. My main ideas are in black, and you will write those on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you will write your supporting details. Mine are located in green. So let's begin. First of all, Italy is the Italian peninsula. That's what it's called. It is a boot-shaped peninsula. Remember that a peninsula is water on three sides: Adriatic, Mediterranean, and Tyrrhenian Sea. Italy has two large islands, Sardinia and Sicily, and a small one called Malta. The location again is in southern Europe. It is connected to the European mainland, and it's found in two hemispheres, the northern and the eastern. Again, we'll look at the Alps, which are very tall mountains, and they separate Italy from the rest of Europe. You will notice that it has very long coastline on the eastern side and the western side, and they do not have good harbors. The Apennine Mountains run down the center of Italy, and they're rugged and they're hard to cross, which separates Italy, east side and the west side. The Mediterranean Sea is found in the southern portion. Italy is centrally located, and it's good for trade. You would have Greece to the east, and Portugal and Spain to the west of Italy. The Po River, which is located in northern Italy, provides water for farming, and the rivers that surround it, rivers are surrounded by fertile land. Again, the islands, they have a good climate, and they do have good ports. The climate in this region is good for growing crops because it has a Mediterranean climate, and they have sunny summers and rainy winters.